All right, so I'm going to combine the new learning today with the model because the model is going to be real quick. Okay, so today we're learning about square numbers, and it's just like what it sounds like. They're numbers that are squares, right? That make a square. So numbers that can be arranged in a square shape. For example, 1 times 1, right, is just 1. So that would be considered 1 squared. This little 2 up here means squared. We don't have to worry about that right now, but that's something that you'll definitely use later on in different grades and older grades. If you do 2 times 2, it equals 4. You have 2 rows and 2 in each row, right? So that's 2 squared equals 4. It makes a square, the same number all the way around. Here is 3 times 3. So we have 3 rows with 3 in each row. So it's 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. Same thing here. 4 times 4. 4, 4, 4, and 4. It makes a square all the way around. So that is what a square number is. Okay, and it keeps going. 5 times 5 and 6 times 6. It's the same number right here squared, right? So this is something that you can now fill in on our multiplication facts log. Here, what's our strategies for squares, right? So here is an example of 4 times 4 equals 16. They drew a sketch here to show that. Well, what's another one you could draw here to show that you know what a square number is? So I'm going to go ahead and model how I'm going to do the next part of the activity. So here it says choose a number 1 through 10, use cubes to build an array. Well, we're not going to build cubes because, well, we're at home, right? So here instead, we're going to see these X's here. You actually are going to have this on your lesson. So if you click this blue button, and it will take you here, and you're going to click the number 3, and you're going to be able to move the X's onto this chart. Okay, and then I want you to think about how are the arrays similar and how are they different. So for example, here it says that we rolled a 3, so it has 3 times 3, okay, and so equals 9. So I'm going to record 3 times 3. So here's 3 in here and 3 this way, and when you count all of those X's, it equals 9. So you get to record other ones, anything from 1 through 10. Okay, 1 times 1 or 2 times 2. Okay, 4 times 4. You choose, and you can go ahead and make your arrays here, and then think about how are they alike and how are they different from each other. Okay. When you go to the We Do, you're going to be doing this Quizlet of practicing learning the multiplication facts on, this is not a Quizlet live, this is a Gravity, so you're going to be able to try to get the correct answer by playing that game. And then you can play this Kahoot as well. This is your Can Do. These will be done at your own pace. And then your You Do today is to be able to answer this question, what's 8 times 8, which is a square number, right? What do you notice about it? What does it want you to do? Show your work here by making your array, and then how do you know your answer makes sense? And then don't forget to reflect, okay? It's a simple lesson today of just looking at these numbers, but it's something that we're going to have to make sure that we learn these, okay? That's the big practice. That's why for the Quizlet and the Kahoot, right, today is just practicing, trying to learn them, okay? And then don't forget to reflect at the end. All right, thanks, guys. Bye.